Hey Luc, welkom. In short, where does Software Improvement Group stand for?
SIG stands for Creating a Healthier Digital World. We help our clients diagnose the issues in their software and helping them moving forward away from those issues. So we help them finding the problems in reliability, maintainability, performance, whatever is there, security, and then moving forward we monitor the systems and help them create that better digital world for themselves.
If I understand it well, in most of our first customer engagements, Software Improvement Group starts with measuring maintainability in software application. Is that correct? And why is that so?
Well, that's completely correct. What we do is at the very start, we start measuring the maintainability. What we want to find out is how quickly we can make the changes, because whatever is the case, whether it's a problem in security, in reliability, in performance, you always need to change something. There might be a regulatory change, there might be a feature request, you always need to change. And there's a direct relationship between the speed of change and the maintainability. We have actually done scientific research that shows that when we apply our benchmark system of 5 stars, that a 2-star system is 3 times as slow to make the changes as a 4-star system. So that's why we want to get a grip on maintainability first, allowing to see how quick we can make those changes to create that better digital world.
All right, so that sounds really cool, but then what does that make SIG? A software company or more a consultancy company?
Well, in fact, it's both. We strongly believe in something we call software with a service. We analyze something like 50 million lines of code. We've analyzed somewhere around 10 billion lines of code in our lifetime so far, and that's really impossible to do that without technology. So we do use a lot of technology, and also in the communication with our clients we use technology as well. So there is that aspect of technology that's required to provide our services. However, you also need to interpret the results. You need to see in that specific situation of that client in his business needs, what are the issues at stake, where can you help them, how can you improve that situation, what are the scenarios, and that's where the service component comes into play.
So let me see if I understand this well. What SIG does, you can compare that a bit with what happens in a hospital, where you have on the one hand an MRI scan, and on the other hand you have a doctor who reads the MRI scan and to give advice to the patient about what to do about the situation.
Well, it's a great analogy, because when you look at the situation, we often ask when there's an issue, and then we come in and analyze the situation. That's typically when you have a problem, you go to the doctor and ask, how can you help? That's something we do quite often, but we would rather be involved during the lifetime of a software project, monitoring the situation. So rather than going to the doctor when there's a problem, you better go to the doctor continuously, well, not continuously, but regularly, to see what the situation is and how to steer, how to maybe improve your food or improve your architecture in software terms, improve the code on specific levels, and that's how we really can add value.
So Luc, can you tell me a little bit, can you give a practical example? How does it work? This on the one hand technology combined with the service that we provide.
So what we have is something called the Sigrid platform. Sigrid, obviously derived from SIG, is the platform, our technology platform, that does the analysis of the code, but also has the user interface towards our consultants as well as our clients, to have them get access to the analysis results and the augmented results from our experts. So to give you an example of that, we're launching a security with a service offering, which takes security analysis, puts it through the platform, but has it augmented by our experts, telling the end user what is relevant or what's maybe less relevant. Because when you look at those tools, there's always tons of false positive and things that are not as important in the context of the client, in his business context, in his situation where a system might not be internet facing or not that relevant. That's where our experts come in, do the proper filtering and tell them what they need to be focusing on, what not.
So could you say that this Sigrid platform is a software assurance platform with a service? How does it work? Can you explain that a bit further?
The Sigrid platform is software assurance with a service. So it's that neat combination of technology with expert knowledge. It's that combination of a technology firm and a consulting firm in one. That's what makes our heart stick. That's where we really are good at. And we are continuously innovating that platform. We're adding cool new features on artificial intelligence with predictive analytics, with architecture analysis, with all sorts of languages. We support over 250 different technologies in our analysis, and that's a continuous effort to continuously improve what the Sigrid platform can do for our clients.
Hey, and Luc, and when will this Sigrid platform become available?
Sigrid is available right now.
Luc, thank you for being here today. And thank you for watching. And if you would like to know more, please visit us at softwareimprovementgroup.com.